Items needed for this project are a fender, rope suitable to tie off to the vessel, thinner ripcord to gather the sock ends, a pair of large tracksuit pants, paper clip and a sewing machine. If you are yet to learn what a bowline knot is, now is a very good time. Tie off the rope ends to one end of the fender eyes. In cheap tracksuit pants, slide the fender into the pants leg, allowing one eye to be visible. Mark, tie off and cut above the other eye. Turn the leg inside out and using the sewing machine, hem the cut end leaving a 10mm gap. Gently make a small incision to take the ripcord, and using a paper clip fed through the ripcord end, feed the ripcord through the hem. Tie off the two ends. Before inserting the fender, tie off one end of the sock reasonably tight. Feed the fender rope end through the sock and out the tight end. Then slide the sock over the fender. When the sock is in place, tighten the lower cord for a firm fit. Hope the solution proves cheap and affordable. Thank you for watching.